Hello, web warriors. Welcome to ProGuide Studio. I'm Sumit D, and in today's video, we'll embark on an exhilarating journey into the realm of back-end web development. Join me as we uncover the magic behind server-side programming and databases, and learn how to build the backbone of powerful web applications. Let's dive right in. Outline of the video. 1. Introduction to back-end web development. Provide an overview of back-end web development and its critical role in managing data and application logic. Introduce server-side programming languages and databases as the core components of back-end development. 2. Setting up the environment. Discuss the necessary tools and technologies for back-end development, including code editors and server setups. Guide viewers through the installation of essential software and development environments. 3. Server-side languages, example, Node.js, Python, PHP. Explore popular server-side programming languages and their unique features. Demonstrate basic scripting and routing to handle HTTP requests and responses. 4. Working with databases, example, MySQL, MongoDB. Introduce different types of databases, SQL and NoSQL, and their use cases. Show how to connect, query, and manipulate data in databases using code examples. 5. Creating APIs, application programming interfaces. Explain the concept of APIs and their significance in back-end development. Guide viewers in creating RESTful APIs to interact with their web applications. 6. Handling user authentication and security. Discuss various authentication methods, such as JWT, JSON Web Tokens, OAuth, and session-based authentication. Emphasize the importance of security measures like encryption and input validation. 7. Working with frameworks, example, Express, Django, Laravel. Introduce popular back-end frameworks and their benefits in streamlining development. Showcase the process of building a simple web application using a back-end framework. 8. Deployment and scalability. Touch upon the deployment process, including hosting options and server configuration. Explain how back-end architecture can be designed to handle scalability and increase traffic. Congratulations on leveling up your back-end web development skills. Remember, the journey to mastery is an ongoing adventure. Keep honing your skills, exploring new technologies, and embracing challenges. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to ProGuide Studio for more web development insights and tutorials. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding! Stay tuned for more exciting back-end web development content coming your way. If you have any questions or specific topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep building and shaping the web.